Hey everyone, welcome to the Diva Den. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, I'm so excited that you stopped by. Today I'm in my master bathroom and I'm going to be organizing the cupboards. They've gotten out of control and it's just time to freshen them up and get rid of some old product. So let's get started. Thanks for stopping by. So I'm here in my master bathroom and it's a beautiful day outside, so I've opened the blinds, opened the windows to let some of that beautiful fresh air in, and I am going to be organizing my cupboards because there's a lot of old product in there, things that are just sitting there that I need to get rid of and sort through and purge and all that kind of good stuff. So this is the cabinet here that I will mostly be working on, and of course under my sink I'll do a little bit of that as well, but I thought I'd take you along with me while I do it. So the funny thing is, my husband is away on vacation right now, and he always laughs and teases me before he goes, saying he's afraid one of two things is going to happen while he's gone. I'm either going to paint something or I'm going to reorganize something. And this trip I've been in an organizing mood. So I will leave a link to my other video that I did where I organized some of my kitchen cabinets, my pantry cupboards, specifically my spice cabinet, which I am thrilled with. So I'll leave a link to that video up here. But today I thought I'd organize this and see what happens. So let's get started. If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Here's all the stuff I took out of the cabinet. Boy, I need to get rid of a lot of this stuff. And then, oh, there's Gussie being nosy. Hey, buddy? Hey? You having fun? And then up here, I put up on the counter some more stuff. More stuff, medications, stuff I need to look at. And just organize and all that kind of good stuff. I regret it, hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it, hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better. So when I was cleaning out my pantry and specifically my spice cabinet, I originally used this wire mesh 3-tiered shelf with a basket on the end to hold my spices on it, but I transferred something over. I'm using a different system there, and I was about to throw it out, but then I thought this could be perfect in here to hold my lotions and everything so I can see them. And not only that, this side piece is perfect to hold my masks. I think that's going to work really well. So now I'm going to start to put back a lot of my facial products and things like that on this, and I'll keep going on the other shelves. So far so good, and I'm really pleased with the way this is turning out. Yeah, I'm so happy with this shelf and the way everything is fitting in. Really happy. So sometimes words are hard. Sometimes words are just hard. Let me show you what I've done so far. So nothing really changed up on this top shelf. I put my sewing kit up there and my travel makeup kits and toiletry bag. I just kept it up there. This is the biggest change right here. It's my shelf with all my creams and ointments for my face and neck and stuff, and I use that shelf, which is perfect. I can see everything, And yeah, I'm just loving it. That little basket over there holds the masks perfectly, and a couple of other little things. It just is working out perfectly. So this shelf I adjusted up so my creams and that could fit on this shelf. But on this shelf, all I have is just some extra travel stuff. It has little containers for travel, an extra razor, my Veet products, and my Amape foot file, which I'm going to show you in a sec, and some travel sized body lotions and shower gels, which I love from the Body Shop. My favorite scent, Satsuma, I think it's called. Then down here are just my lotions and my self tanners in there. I put my mitt with it finally. Just my Zote soap there to clean my makeup brushes, some extra cotton pads in there, and just some other little things. Now down here, oops, sorry guys. Down here is just in this basket. I changed it up, and it's bandages, Band-Aids, my back cream. I do have a very bad back, so I do have that in there. My Robaxacet for that, a thermal pad, just some gauzes, some Band-Aids, things like that. They're all in there so we can take it out easily. In this front container is like cold remedies, my Cepacol and my Mucinex. I work for this company, Mucinex and Cepacol, and it's just great stuff, so I just love it. So I keep it there along with some other cold and cough medicine. Back there, you can't see very well, but it is my neti pot. In the winter when I get really stuffy, I do use a neti pot, and if you've never used it, you should give it a try. It's really great for getting rid of that stuffy nose. Down here, nothing changed. We just keep our toilet paper there and our boxes of Kleenex. And that's it. I mentioned my Amape foot file. I do work for this company as well, and we were given these when about a year ago to try, and I love this thing. This is a foot file, and it's got a little file here. You just turn it on, and you just rub it over your heels of your foot or anywhere on your foot that is hard. And you know, with summertime, ladies, with sandal season and everything, and you want your soft feet, I use this all year long, because with exercising and running and stuff, I do get calluses on my feet. But this thing is amazing. It really files the dead skin off. I love it. So this is not sponsored. This is no way they don't even know. Really, they don't really know that I do this or that I'm talking about it. I'm not sponsored, but I just wanted to put that out there to you. But I did try it, and I do love it. Now I got to get under the sink, and that one I'm afraid is going to be a little bit more of a chore. But I'm here, I might as well keep going. I'm in the mood now, so let's get organizing under my sink. So I was going to clean the drawers, but when I opened them, they really weren't that bad. This top drawer, we just keep extra razors. My husband keeps his extra razors, extra soap, extra floss, my hair clips for when I'm washing my face at night, some combs for my husband, just extra containers in the back there. So it's really nothing to do there. This drawer is more medication, and this is more like the pain relief, you know, Advils and Tylenols and Gravol, and my contact lens solution, things like that. And down here is just more my hair styling tools. So like my my brushes. Sometimes I use a different kind of coloring, so I use that bowl, some straighteners, my brushes, and it's pretty well organized. All I did here was I had this extra I don't know if you can see it. I had this extra container and it just kind of fit on almost like a little shelf. So that's what I use for my daily stuff. And it can just slide back and forth and I can get to it easy. But I thought that's a good tip if you're looking for something to corral stuff and it doesn't quite fit in it, use it like a shelf and then you can put everything underneath. So I love doing that. I want to thank you guys for spending your time with me and watching how I organized my bathroom cabinets and cupboard, and I hope it gave you some tips or some motivation to maybe tackle space in your home that needs some organizing. And now I'm already thinking of my next project. What else could I do? I know what the next spot, but that'll be for another day. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and you'll think about giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and maybe even sharing it with family and friends. I'd love if you were to do that. And if you are new here and you enjoyed your time, I hope you'll think about hitting that red button and subscribing below. It's free. It costs nothing to subscribe, but I would love to have you join me each week as I share more videos on things around the house, organizing, cooking, cleaning, DIYs. We just have fun here, so I would love it if you were to join me. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.